Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects each and every one of us: money. But not just the dollars and cents, we're delving into the intricate world of the psychology of money. Have you ever wondered why some people make wise financial decisions while others seem to struggle with money matters? Well, that's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video as we unravel the insights from the book The Psychology of Money by Housel. I'm excited to take you on a journey through the pages of this thought-provoking book. Money isn't just about numbers, it's deeply intertwined with our emotions, behaviors, and even our happiness. From the illusion of wealth and happiness to the impact of luck, risk, and environment on financial decisions, this book is a treasure trove of insights that can reshape the way we think about money. So, whether you're curious about the psychological traps we often fall into when it comes to money, or you're seeking practical strategies to build a healthier financial mindset, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of the key takeaways from The Psychology of Money, and hopefully, you'll be inspired to make wiser financial choices in your own life. The role of behavior in finance. In this section, we'll be delving into a fundamental concept explored in The Psychology of Money by Housel: the significant role that human behavior plays in the world of finance. 1. Emotions and decision-making. One of the key takeaways from the book is that emotions can have a profound impact on our financial decisions. Emotions like fear and greed often drive our investment choices, sometimes leading to impulsive and irrational actions. Understanding how emotions influence us can help us make more rational and informed decisions. 2. Herding behavior. People often follow the crowd, especially in financial matters. This herd mentality can lead to bubbles and crashes in the markets. Housel discusses how understanding this behavior can help investors avoid being swept up in the crowd's emotions and make independent choices. 3. Overconfidence and mistakes. Overconfidence is another common behavioral trait that affects financial decision-making. We tend to overestimate our knowledge and abilities, leading to potentially costly mistakes. Recognizing our own limitations can help us avoid overconfident decisions. 4. Loss aversion. The fear of loss often has a stronger impact than the potential for gain. This phenomenon, known as loss aversion, can lead us to hold on to losing investments longer than we should. Housel's book encourages us to be aware of this bias and make decisions based on a rational assessment of risk and reward. 5. The storytelling trap. We often fall into the trap of creating narratives to explain market trends, even if those narratives aren't based on solid evidence. Housel warns against succumbing to these narratives and encourages a more data-driven approach to understanding financial markets. 6. Behavioral biases. The book highlights various behavioral biases, such as confirmation bias, seeking information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs, and recency bias, giving more weight to recent events. Being aware of these biases can help us make more objective decisions. 7. Financial education and self-awareness. To navigate the complexities of finance, it's crucial to continuously educate ourselves about the psychological factors that influence our decisions. Self-awareness is key to recognizing our behavioral biases and making more rational choices. Importance of time perspective. In this segment, we're diving into a fascinating concept covered in The Psychology of Money by Housel: the importance of time perspective in shaping our financial decisions. Let's explore how our approach to time influences our financial choices. 1. Short-term versus long-term thinking. One of the key messages of the book is that our financial decisions are heavily influenced by our time perspective. Housel explains that individuals tend to fall into two main categories: those who focus on short-term gains and those who embrace a long-term view. Understanding these perspectives can significantly impact our financial outcomes. 2. The power of patience. Housel highlights the power of patience when it comes to investing. He argues that adopting a long-term perspective allows us to ride out short-term market fluctuations and benefit from the compounding effect over time. Waiting patiently for investments to grow can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. 3. Overcoming impulsivity. In a world of instant gratification, it's easy to make impulsive decisions driven by short-term desires. Housel's book emphasizes the need to overcome this impulsivity by reminding us of the rewards that come with patiently waiting for investments to mature. 4. Avoiding chasing trends. Short-term thinkers often fall into the trap of chasing investment trends and trying to time the market. Housel's insights remind us that successful investing involves understanding that markets are unpredictable and that consistent, long-term strategies tend to yield better results. The power of compounding. In this segment, we're going to explore a concept that is at the heart of wealth accumulation, the power of compounding. Get ready to uncover how small decisions can lead to significant financial growth over time. 1. Understanding compounding. Housel's book emphasizes that compounding is the process by which an investment generates earnings, and those earnings generate even more earnings over time. This compounding effect has the potential to turn modest savings into substantial wealth. 2. Early start, big advantage. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Housel illustrates this with examples that show how individuals who begin investing early in life can end up with significantly larger portfolios compared to those who delay. 3. Consistency matters. Consistency is a key factor in harnessing the power of compounding. Regular contributions to your investments, even if they're small, can lead to substantial growth over time. Housel's book encourages readers to prioritize consistent contributions. 4. Reinforcing long-term thinking. The power of compounding reinforces the value of adopting a long-term perspective. Housel's insights suggest that focusing on short-term gains may cause individuals to miss out on the remarkable wealth-building potential of compounding over many years. 5. The Rule of 72. Housel introduces the Rule of 72, a simple formula that helps estimate the number of years it takes for an investment to double at a given annual rate of return. This rule illustrates the rapid growth that compounding can facilitate. 6. Reinvesting dividends. Reinvesting dividends is another way to accelerate the power of compounding. Housel explains how dividend payments can contribute to the compounding process, leading to even greater wealth accumulation. Adaptability and flexibility. In this section, we'll explore the vital concepts of adaptability and flexibility in the context of personal finance. Get ready to discover how these qualities can make a significant difference in your financial journey. 1. Embracing change. Housel's book underscores the inevitability of change in both personal circumstances and the broader financial landscape. Being adaptable means being prepared to navigate unexpected twists and turns in your financial journey. 2. Economic uncertainty. Housel discusses how economic uncertainty is a constant factor. This uncertainty highlights the need for adaptability, as unexpected economic events can have a substantial impact on investments and financial planning. 3. Adjusting strategies. The ability to adjust financial strategies in response to changing circumstances is crucial. Housel's insights encourage a proactive approach to reassessing and modifying your financial plans as needed. 4. Diversification and risk mitigation. Flexibility extends to diversifying your investment portfolio. Housel's book explains how diversification can reduce risk by spreading investments across various assets, industries, and regions. 5. Navigating life transitions. Life is full of transitions, such as marriage, parenthood, or retirement. Housel's insights guide us through the financial aspects of these transitions, stressing the need for adaptable planning. 6. Emotional resilience. Flexibility contributes to emotional resilience in the face of financial challenges. Housel's book suggests that those who are adaptable are better equipped to handle setbacks and bounce back stronger. Understanding risk. Now, we're going to delve into the crucial topic of understanding and managing risk, as discussed in The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Let's explore how risk plays a pivotal role in our financial decisions and how we can make informed choices to mitigate its effects. 1. Types of risk. Housel's book highlights various types of risk, including market risk, inflation risk, and psychological risk. Understanding these risks is essential for making well-informed investment decisions. 2. Market risk. Market fluctuations are a natural part of investing. Housel's insights emphasize the importance of being prepared for both gains and losses, while keeping a long-term perspective. 3. Risk tolerance. Each individual has a different risk tolerance, or their capacity to handle the ups and downs of the market. Housel's book encourages us to assess our risk tolerance honestly and align our investments accordingly. 4. Emotional impact of risk. Psychological risk, often overlooked, can have a significant impact on investment decisions. Housel explains how understanding our emotional responses to risk can help us make more rational choices. 5. Risk and return trade-off. Housel's book explores the relationship between risk and return. Higher potential returns often come with higher risk. Understanding this trade-off is essential when considering investment opportunities. 6. Historical context. Housel provides historical context to showcase that despite market downturns, the long-term trend of the market has been positive. This context reinforces the importance of a long-term investment perspective. The impact of personal history. In this section, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic: how our personal history and experiences shape our financial behavior. Get ready to explore the powerful influence of our past on our financial decisions. 1. Early financial experiences. Housel's book underscores the significance of early financial experiences, such as how our parents handled money and whether we had to manage money from a young age. These experiences can impact our attitudes and habits around money. 2. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. Personal history can contribute to developing either a scarcity mindset, feeling like there's never enough, or an abundance mindset, believing that opportunities are limitless. Housel's insights prompt us to reflect on which mindset we carry and its impact on our financial decisions. 3. Traumatic financial events. Traumatic financial events, such as a recession or job loss, can leave lasting impacts on our behavior. Housel discusses how these events can lead to increased caution or, conversely, risky behavior. 4. Lifestyle creep and expectations. Personal history can influence our lifestyle expectations and spending habits. Housel's insights urge us to consider whether we're influenced by external factors to spend beyond our means. 5. Cultural and societal norms. Cultural and societal norms also shape our financial behaviors. Housel discusses how these norms can impact our views on saving, investing, and spending. 6. Breaking negative patterns. Housel encourages us to break negative patterns by learning from our personal history. Understanding our triggers and behaviors can help us make more informed and positive financial decisions. 7. Personal growth and financial wellness. Ultimately, the psychology of money emphasizes the importance of personal growth and self-awareness in achieving financial wellness. By understanding how our personal history shapes us, we can strive for healthier financial behaviors. Comparisons and social influences. In this segment, we're diving into the powerful impact of comparisons and social influences on our financial decisions, as discussed in The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Let's explore how the urge to keep up with others can affect our financial well-being. 1. The comparison trap. Housel's book highlights the danger of falling into the comparison trap, where we measure our financial success against others. This can lead to poor financial decisions driven by societal expectations rather than our true needs and goals. 2. Keeping up with the Joneses. The concept of keeping up with the Joneses illustrates how our desire to match our lifestyle with those around us can lead to excessive spending and debt. Housel's insights encourage us to question whether these comparisons are truly beneficial. 3. The illusion of wealth. Comparisons can create an illusion of wealth. Housel's book emphasizes that appearances can be deceiving, as many individuals who seem affluent are actually drowning in debt due to extravagant spending. 4. Investing for the wrong reasons. Comparing investment choices with those of others can lead to chasing trends rather than making sound decisions based on research and analysis. Housel's insights advocate for informed investing rather than following the crowd. 5. Defining success on your terms. Housel emphasizes the importance of defining success on your own terms. By setting your own financial goals and measuring progress against them, you can avoid the pitfalls of comparison. 6. Mindful financial choices. In conclusion, understanding the dangers of comparisons and social influences can lead to more mindful financial choices. By focusing on our unique goals and needs, we can make decisions that align with our values. Happiness and money. In this final segment, we're going to delve into the intricate relationship between happiness and money, exploring how understanding this connection can lead to a more fulfilling life. 1. The complex relationship. Housel's book dives into the complex interplay between money and happiness. While money can provide security and opportunities, it doesn't guarantee happiness in and of itself. 2. The diminishing returns of wealth. Housel's insights reveal that while an increase in wealth can improve well-being up to a certain point, the returns diminish as wealth grows. Beyond meeting basic needs, additional wealth has a smaller impact on overall happiness. 3. Experiences versus material possessions. Housel discusses how spending on experiences often leads to more lasting happiness than spending on material possessions. Experiences create memories and connections that contribute to overall well-being. 4. Financial freedom and flexibility. Achieving financial freedom can increase happiness by providing flexibility and reducing stress. Housel's insights emphasize that freedom of choice and reduced financial worries contribute significantly to well-being. 5. The pursuit of fulfillment. In conclusion, the psychology of money teaches us that the pursuit of fulfillment is multidimensional and goes beyond financial success. Understanding the connection between happiness and money empowers us to make choices that lead to a more meaningful life. Conclusion. In conclusion, the psychology of money offers invaluable insights into the intricate relationship between our psychology and financial decisions. Understanding the impact of behavior, time perspective, compounding, adaptability, risk, personal history, comparisons, and the connection between happiness and money can guide us towards making more informed and fulfilling financial choices. As you reflect on these insights, remember that financial well-being extends beyond numbers. It's about aligning your financial decisions with your values, goals, and life aspirations. Embrace the power of education and self-awareness to shape a prosperous and meaningful financial journey. If you're intrigued by these concepts, I encourage you to explore The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel for a deeper exploration. Additionally, keep learning, discussing, and taking steps to improve your financial literacy. By doing so, you're empowering yourself to make choices that enhance both your financial future and overall quality of life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. Don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on finance, psychology, and personal development. Your journey towards financial empowerment begins with your curiosity and commitment.